Hello, this is our presentation. The country that take is the Vatican City and the scientific method of the Vatican City. My group is Jerónimo Zarate, Matías, Neiza, and my name is Juan Fernando Merchant. First, where is the Vatican City? The Vatican City is the smallest city in the world and the country where is the Catholic ruler and is so close to Rome.
So next we have some fun facts about the Vatican City. So first, the Vatican Museum receives more than 25 million visitors a day. That is in scientific notation 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the 4.
And the second is the Vatican Museum House that 17,000 works of art. These are 7 multiplied by 10 to the 4.
And last but no less important, we have the that the it has a little more than 1,000 people. So this in scientific notation is 1 multiplied by 10 to the 3. So in the next image you will see the process. So first we have 25,000. You have to move the comma and count the zeros. So the first is 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the 4. There are four numbers behind the 2 and the comma to the 2.5.
In the second, you see the 17,000 that you need to move the point to the left 4 parts. First to the 0, move to the 0, move to the 0, move to the 0, and yet 7 because the 0 no count and is 7 and the solution is 7 multiplied by 10 to the 4.
And we have the last process that is 3 zeros and 1. So it gets 1 multiplied by 10 to the 3, and there are 3 zeros, so you have to move the comma to 3 positions.
So in the next version, what is the scientific notation? Use the scientific notation easier to express. The scientific notation is the way to write very large or very small number. A number is written in scientific notation when a number between 1 and 10 is multiplied by a power of 10.
Well, we're going to continue with some fun facts. So the area of the state is 440,000 square meters. For comparison, that's 0.7 times the area of the mall in Washington. So it's very interesting, this fact. In the Vatican City, there is only one robbery per year, and most are not resolved. This is a curious fact, really. So we're going to continue in this chart that you can see with the population of Vatican, its capital, and Colombia's population. So we're in nearest thousand and scientific notation. So first, the population of Vatican in the nearest thousand, it's 1,000, and in scientific notation, it's 1 times 10 raised to 3. The population of its capital is 1,000 as well, and in scientific notation it's 1 times 10 raised to 3. And the population of Colombia, it's in the nearest thousand, it's 51,049,000. And in scientific notation is 5.1049 times 10 raised to 7. Well, the procedure to do this, to obtain these numbers, it's this one that you can see. Well, you have to obtain a number superior than than 1, and also it has to be below 10. So these are the requirements for the scientific notation. So for example, we are going to choose the 51,049,000. So you can see that there is no comma. So if there is no comma, you know that the comma is at the end, like an imaginary comma. So you have to move it until there is a number with these requirements that I explained before. So this number is 5. So we move the comma 7 spaces. We have to count the spaces we move the comma until we arrive to the 5, and that's the exponent we have to put with the 10. Sorry, that we have to search in the number, and we're going to continue with the point 3, and that
A. It is the bigger the population of Colombia because if we see the science notation, the exponent is bigger, so it says the number is much bigger than the Vaticano pollution.
with the point B, at the times that Colombia's population is greater than Vatican, it's 51,049, or in scientific notation that we have it's 5.1049 times 10 to the 7th power. Scientific notation that we have it's 5.10.
The population of Colombia is 5.1048 to the 10, greater than the Vatican population.
The percentage of Vaticano pollution that is made up the capital is 100%.
If the population of the Vatican population tribe, it will be 3,000, or 3 multiplied by 10 to the 3.
Thank you for your attention.